there are multiple challenges that come through these kind of conflicts or these kind of disruptions in supply chain. So this scheme and our focus is right now not to cover up all the challenges. There are many challenges which are largely on MFN basis. It does not only impact India, it impacts everybody. What the scheme relief is trying to do first, address some of the challenges which are specific to our exporters. The challenges, because when they sailed or when they contracted the goods and they actually exported, they were not knowing that this is going to happen. So they are suffering because of that. The effort is to see, can we alleviate that suffering towards bringing in a proper package through ECGC, because many of them are connected through ECGC. There is an insurance policy, and as my colleague pointed out, the insurance policy is quite expansive. It covers a lot of elements. So we are trying to see that instead of 80%, 75% was the policy may be covering, we go up to 95% because these are extraordinary circumstances. So we try to give that support to our exporter, because if our exporter base becomes weak, it is going to impact us in the long term. So that is a support that. And in that also we covered, there are a lot of MSMEs which may not have taken insurance. So how do we capture them also? And that's why we have made a very one-off deviation where we are going to extend them for that period where exports have been made as business as usual, but business as usual has not remained. Things have changed. The future, if you look at the future, the component 2, which is for future exports which are taking place, we have limited it for IC code also. We have limited it to 50% of, because now whatever export takes place, it factors in all the other development that are taking place. Whether there is increase in logistics cost, because that is being factored in by the importer or the exporter. The risk is also being factored in to some extent. But here also, why? Because the insurance premium may go up, or maybe insurance cost may go up. We are trying to alleviate some of it by giving them some support so that they are able to bear, because when there is a risk, there are costs going up, either the exporter will bear or the importer will bear. So as government, we are trying to facilitate and bear some elements of the cost in a manner that the exporter is able to maintain the supply chain to the extent possible. There will still be limitations because if movements are not taking place, that